on to our fourth Agora Award for this evening. From a song that inspired a movie, we delve into a highly interesting movie that inspired a song. Funny how similar its workings are with the world of our awardee for the Agora for Outstanding Achievement for Export Marketing. Ani Batumbakal has survived the test of time and has become the quintessential Pinoy novelty song. The song is about dreaming one's dreams in spite of hardships and the problems of daily living. Now, imagine you are abroad and you wake up dreaming, as we all do, of the yummy danggit you used to savor for breakfast when you're growing up in the province. Or think of the delectable cornic and dried mangoes that you used to enjoy back home. Well, our next awardee has shipped these to countless Filipinos abroad who yearn for these local treats and bring sunshine to their lives even for just a few delectable minutes. Just like Ani Batumbakal and her nightly forays in Coco Banana, tasting the glamorous life even for a few hours a night can make you forget your daily woes and make life a little sweeter. This is an outstanding achievement by this year's awardee for excellence in export marketing. According to him, the embodiment of the modern Filipino entrepreneur is best seen when technology meets tradition. Couple this with creativity, leadership, and uniqueness, and you have in your hands the winning story of Pinoy Delicacy. From a simple venture that started with a startup capital of 10,000 pesos, our awardee now operates a 30 million peso online trading business specializing in unique Filipino delicacies. Its ICT-based communication platform has been developed not only for promoting Filipino products, but likewise for its ingenuity in management solutions to inventory, distribution, and accounting needs. No wonder PinoyDelicacy.com is now a best practice model used by the World Trade Organization and some APEC member countries. And like Ani Batumbakal, which will be the quintessential Pinoy novelty love song, we salute PinoyDelicacy.com for its excellence in promoting our well-loved Pinoy delicacies to the global scene. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may we ask Mr. Alex Flores, Ms. Edith Dischao, and Ms. Mylina Biva, and category head, Ms. Mean Santos, to please come up on stage and help us award the next winner. The Philippine Marketing Association proudly bestows the 2008 Agora for Outstanding Achievement in Export Marketing to Mr. Jovel M. Cipriano for PinoyDelicacy.com.
Walang himala. To PMA, the Agora Awards Committee, members and guests, good evening. I'd like to thank my family who are here, Ed Emerson, my sister Grace for being there since I started, my friends Ting San Diego, Jopet Pedroso, R.D. Lopez, and my classmates in UP High School. Maraming salamat. Special thanks to PMA Bacolod for giving all the support. When I started Pinoy Delicacy in 1999, nobody believed in me. Who would ever think that selling danggit and pusit online would be a success? It was mere passion that drove us to where we are right now. Nung una, when we received online orders, what I did, run to the nearest Gaisano supermarket in front of my office in Cebu to buy the orders. After that, I ran to SM City to ship it via FedEx. That's how traditional and backward we started. Now we have deployed a more successful e-commerce system that's now globally known. Like I always say, for me, this is not about technology, nor about money. This is about passion. The more passionate you are about your dream, the more successful you will be. Like they say, dare dream, do, and do it now. An idea is like a match. It won't work unless you strike it into flame. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time may not come. Like Dennis Waitley said, dream big dreams. It makes you unstoppable. Again, to those who believed in me, keep believing in me. Maraming salamat.
Once again, congratulations to our awardee, Mr. Jovel M. Cipriano.